Hi everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide system drives or partitions from Windows Explorer. If you noticed one or two mysterious drives on your computer, don't panic, it's not a virus. If you right-click the Start button and select Disk Management, you will see all partitions of your drive. As you can see, these system partitions don't have any assigned letters. This is why they're invisible. For example, if I right-click on my D drive and select Change Drive Letter, in a Appear dialog box, I can change or remove drives later. And as you can see, my D drive has just disappeared with all my priceless data. And simply by adding a drive letter, I can bring my D drive back. Unfortunately, this method doesn't work for system partitions, so we have to use the command prompt. Press and hold the Windows key and then press R. Type cmd and press Enter. Now type disk part and press Enter. Next type list, volume and hit Enter. Alright, so we want to hide E and F drives. Here they are. Type select, volume, 0 and press Enter. And finally type remove letter E and press Enter. As you can see, the drive has disappeared. Let's hide the second drive. Simply repeat the process. Now it looks the way it's supposed to be. So why did it happen? Well, for some reason the letters were assigned to the system partitions. Usually it happens after Windows updates, disk cloning, basically any type of drive or partition manipulations.